Welcome to ATech. In this video, I will tell you that how you can upload and share files on Google Drive. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have an account on Google Drive. If you don't have an account, download it from Play Store and create an account with Gmail. Now I will open files and then click on documents. Here I will select a file that I want to upload on Google Drive. Long press it. Now click on share button. So you can see a lot of sharing options, but I want to upload on Google Drive. I will select it. After selecting, you can see file name and location is my drive. So then click on save button and file is uploaded to my drive. Now I will check my Google Drive. On top left corner you can see three lines. Here you can see recent option. In recent folder you will find the recent file. So you can see luxury wallpaper file is available on Google Drive. So you can delete this file from your gallery or your files because it is uploaded on Google Drive. So you can click on three dots. You can change its name. Wallpaper. You can see a lot of options. You can share it, you can copy its link, you can send a copy, and you can download it. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.